About offline shopping.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार
Offline shopping. Suppose you are going to purchase a pant and some jeans and some goods, and if you are going to purchase it online, you would have 2 to 3 opportunities at that time. First, if you are going to purchase a illegal website, they would fraud to you, and you would not purchase a good.
Online shopping is good for us because we can save our time. If we are going anywhere in wedding, we can purchase before 2 3 days online. If we don't have work, but offline shopping we cannot purchase that much thing, like, and we can purchase online all things, and we can purchase so many things. But if I talk about offline shopping, you cannot carry.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Exam Preparation. So, hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we have Happy here, and today we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is online versus offline shopping. Which one is good? Both of them. So now he would tell you something about himself. Then we would be continue. So if I talk about myself, so my name is Noordin, as you know. And if I talk about my English journey, it's going well because I am practicing daily basis, and I am making a videos and a vlog daily basis. That's why it's going well. And if I talk about my English journey properly, I have been learning English since last 1 year. So now I'm calling to my brother, means my friend, you can say. So then we would be continue. Yeah, come here.
Hello everyone, my name is Happy, and I have been learning English since last 8 9 months, and now we are going to debate on online shopping versus offline shopping, which is better than. So what would in which side would you like to have?
I would like to have offline shopping. Sorry.
Offline.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm in the
Favor of.
I'm in the favor of online shopping, and you are in the favor of offline shopping. So why do you think that offline shopping is better than online shopping?
If I talk about offline shopping, suppose you are going to purchase a pant and some jeans and some goods, and if you are going to purchase it online, you would have 2 to 3 opportunities at that time. First, if you are going to purchase a illegal website, they would fraud to you, and you would not purchase a good quality product. And if I talk about online, if you are going to purchase this product, you can check there, then you can purchase, and you can bargain also here. And if I talk about online, you cannot bargain on online.
Okay, if I talk about online shopping is good for us because we can save our time. If we are going anywhere in wedding, we can purchase before 2 3 days online. If we don't have work, but offline shopping we cannot purchase that much thing, like, and we can purchase online all things, and we can purchase so many things. But if I talk about offline shopping, you cannot carry well according to online shopping.
Let me tell you one thing. As you said, if person does not have that much time, so can't he purchase these things because he does not have time. But he can go if he has time, and if he hasn't time, he can send his wife and his brother, his relative. They can purchase easily. And if I talk about online, they some people cannot fulfill all details, like old bujurgs, like our grandfather, grandmother, and some students also, because they don't know about these things properly. I have seen my brother cannot purchase some goods through the online. He can purchase only offline.
But if you want to purchase online, you have so many options there, and you can fix your size, and you can purchase anything. And if you want to purchase cheap clothes, you can purchase. But if I talk about offline shopping, you cannot purchase there.
Okay, let me tell you one thing.
Cheap clothes, and you can purchase minimum prices to expensive clothes on online shopping. But offline shopping does not provide this thing because there is no more discount.
Let me tell you one thing. If I talk about offline shopping, if you are going to purchase some queries through the offline, they would provide you some facilities, like they would give gift you, as you know, in Badot. You are living in Badot, and they provide a gift. And if you are going to purchase offline goods, you can bargain easily. If shopkeeper is asking to you that much money, you can tell him or them that I can give this only that money. And if I talk about online, you cannot say I cannot afford it, and I want to give only this money. And if I talk about good products, you can check by your hand this is good or not. And if I talk about online, you cannot purchase, you cannot see properly, because they provide you a picture form and you cannot see properly. Picture form like look like a good, like as you see people are wedding together, their parents are going to get married, their children, then they send a picture, the girl side and the boy side also, and they don't know about properly. When they meet them physically, then they know about this thing, he is good or she is good for our brother or for sisters, like this. And that all my thoughts.